Then I got myself a mini tube pipe, which I then used to bend this 10mm steel rods into this. Good luck breaking this down. What's up guys, welcome to a new video. Sorry for the bad audio quality. I'm filming this with my Ulefone Armor X7, my phone. So yeah, sorry for that. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can lock your bikes at home safely, install your own home security system with Hiplok, and I'm gonna show you in a second what that is. But first of all, we need to get home. So let's do that first. Okay, I need to figure out a way how to get safely past this area here. Have fun with the video. Hopefully I will be there then still. What's up guys, welcome to a new video. Today I thought I'd give you a quick update on what's going on around the scenes at Fanatec, and we're also gonna try to install a home security system for all of my bicycles, or at least two, these two, the Shirley and the Raleigh. But before we're gonna do that, before we're gonna go straight to this Hiplok, I want to show you something. Because last week I was quite busy creating a product. Took my time to figure out what I want to do, and I came across the idea that I could just remake one of these bicycle wall mounts. These are one of my first prototypes, so I had to set myself up a workbench, which I didn't have before, so I had to get one. And then I had to figure out a way how I can put the vise down strong enough into the workbench that it doesn't move 1mm around. And yeah, it took me like 3 days to figure this out. And then I got myself a mini tube pipe, which I then used to bend this 10mm steel rods into this. I think it looks pretty close to what this is, and I think it's even better in this chrome look. This is the prototype where you can put screws through, and yeah, I really like the design. I'm really proud of myself. But there are still a few things to do. We have some welding to do, which I haven't done before, so I'm researching how that goes and how much money I would have to invest, like probably 600 euros to get me set up with everything. But I'm pretty stoked, so I wanted to show you this. But okay, this video is about the home security system, and I figured maybe it's not so clever to have like 3,000 euros worth of bicycles in your living room close to a window, which can easily be broken. Or if I forget to close the window, then you could just get in here, I guess. Get the bikes out, and yeah, it will be 3,000 euros heavier, so to say. And then yeah, I did some research what the possible solutions there are, and I came across this Hiplok. It's called an Anchor, security anchor system, maximum security, easy to install. And you can mount this on anything like concrete, wood, masonry, on the floor, on the wall, wherever you want, basically. And I'm going to show you how you can do that. So this is the anchor, and it has a core inside which can move around. On top you have a cap which is made out of rubber. You can just get this off like this. So that's just for aesthetics. Then you have this core. For moving this core you need a 10mm Allen key, which is pretty thick, so I didn't have one. I had to get one today to be able to make this video. Then you put this in there, and then anti-clockwise to open this up like this, and then it falls off. And then you get to the bottom of it. Here you can see there are 8 holes, and it comes with 4 screws, which are really long, so you have many options to put them on. But it's really required that you put all the 4 screws in, otherwise with 2 screws, yeah, it's not gonna hold that well. So then you can fix your spot on the wall where you want to put it. I will probably put it, yeah, somewhere here, or maybe in the middle, so that I can lock up both bikes, and then you're good to go. Let me quickly show you how this works. I got 2 locks here. One is this homie, which is quite heavy, but yeah, it works like this. You can just put it through. Luckily this goes through just fine. If it would be any thicker, it would be difficult. So you just put it like here, and then you screw it down. Where's my key? Done. And then you're completely safe with your bicycle. And yeah, good luck breaking this down. Because as you can see now, as the chain is here, you cannot remove this, you know. Chain restrains the movement of this inner core. So this is a very genius design actually, like it. And also what we're gonna try, we want to lock both bikes. So I also have a U-lock, which I figured can also squeeze in here. There's still some space. And then, yeah, maybe you can get lucky and lock up 2 bikes. Yeah, without further ado, let's get cracking and yeah, see if we can manage to put this thing on the wall. All right, see you when it's done. Unfortunately, I couldn't get these screws in to the wall, so we need to use some of these. I don't know how they call it in English, Dübel in German. So therefore, I need to make the holes 2 millimeters bigger, so 8 millimeters. No one is gonna steal this frame now. Alright, so I finished it up and now these two bikes are not going anywhere. They are now just chained onto the anchor and they are not going anywhere. So I've saved like 1,200 euros of bike and 700 euros of bike now with this anchor system. Now I had a little bit of trouble getting it on due to the screws because first of all they are 90 millimeters long. The bits that I had for my Bosch machine 80 millimeters long. So I was only able to get one screw in for the 90 millimeters. For the others, not so much. Before we go into pros, cons and price, performance whatsoever, the one drawback I see here is that these screws do not come with dowels. If you don't know what I mean, these screws do not come with these. It makes it challenging to get them onto the wall and to also make them fit so that they're not moving around. So I don't quite understand it. Of course, if you would mount these to wood, then you don't need dowels. But if you want to mount this anchor system onto the wall, which makes it even safer, then in my opinion you need dowels, which are not included. So be aware, you would have to go into get some dowels in 90 millimeters length. Luckily, I had some screws lying around with dowels, which were about the same length, only 1 centimeter shorter, which helped me out a lot because I couldn't get longer into the wall. However, I had to cut a bit of these dowels off, like the front here, because I also wasn't able to get this dowel completely into the wall. So then I had to cut these screws down to, I don't know, 1-2 centimeters shorter to then be able to fit it on. But still, it's super hard on the wall and it's not moving anywhere, even if I put my weight on it. That still works out. Other than that, I like the design a lot. It's minimalistic and an ingenious design. So in terms of price, I paid 65 euros for the black version. The white version should be 70 or 75 euros. And I think for what you get, it's a really sturdy anchoring system. And now I have secured 2,000 euros worth of bicycle here with this anchor. So of course you would have to have a U-lock or a chain, but probably you have that already lying around for your bike, so you don't have to spend that. So yeah, I like it, I would recommend it. I would like to see maybe if they develop the product and include some dowels so that it makes your life a little bit easier to get them onto concrete or masonry. Alright, so mission accomplished. There's not much else to say then. Please hit the like button if there's anything you liked here. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here and you want to see more bicycle content, some hacks, some bike restoration, making tools, stuff like that. Alright, so maybe in the next video I'm gonna talk more about the bicycle wall mount. Looking very much forward to making these. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next video very soon. Peace out for now. Bye.